click the subscribe button and also bell button to never miss any update from Mr. Android. Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to create a logo with Long Shadow. So friends, let's get started. We will need Pixel Lab. Link will be in description. Open Pixel Lab. Change the background to any color of your choice. Edit text. For Long Shadow, select 3D shape. Select oblique. Make length to maximum. Select color. Change angle. Off the lighting effect. Create another text similar to it. Save the logo. Crop the image. Long Shadow logo is just very simple. Thanks for watching.